Have you experienced this kind of moment with white beluga whale? Just imagine dropping your phone in the ocean, and a whale brings it back. This actually happened. A tourist accidentally dropped her phone into the icy Arctic waters. Just when she thought it was gone forever, a friendly beluga whale appeared. The whale dived deep, grabbed the phone gently, and returned it like the ocean's sweetest hero. People couldn't believe their eyes. Belugas are known for being curious and super smart, but this is pure kindness. Would you trust a whale to save your phone?
Er det kødd? Er det kødd? Ta den.